Hi, my name is Poppy Evans. I'm a digital family engagement and recruitment coordinator, and I work in Carmarthenshire County Council's Children and Family Services. I work with the Family Information and Childcare team in helping them with various aspects such as communication with their service users and internal communication between staff and teams. I also work with the fostering team and work with them to recruit potential and prospective foster carers. And I followed the apprenticeship route into starting my career. I began in the Environment Department as a Business Support Assistant apprentice, and after receiving 2 years of experience with that department, I then looked for full-time work. During my time as an apprentice in the Environment Department, I experienced COVID-19. Our services were put on a standstill as a lot of them were put on hold, redeployed to the children's services, and worked with a team to help with the allocating of funding for key workers to receive free childcare for their children. My experience working with one of the teams in the childcare service gave me an insight into how critical childcare is, and it gave me an interest in exploring further opportunities within the team. I found it very rewarding to be working with the team to help with the delivery of various services, try and develop the quality and delivery of childcare and play services. What I've also found rewarding is my work that I've delivered as part of the fostering team with elements of recruitment. I've been involved in various campaigns where we have looked to advertise the fostering service and the great work that the fostering team does, from the social workers to the foster carers themselves, in ensuring that our local children are cared for locally by local foster carers.